Now, a decision that came in last evening is that the government has decided to cancel the CBSE Class 12 board exams this year in view, of course, of the prevailing COVID situation. The decision was taken at a high-level meet chaired by the Prime Minister, who stressed on the fact that the health of students must come first.
The news that lakhs of students were anxiously waiting for.
The latest news break right now coming in is that the CBSE Class 12 board exams are cancelled. They'd been suspended animation for a fair amount of time, and that's the latest news break, and it's huge.
On Tuesday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a top-level meeting where he was briefed on the options before the government on holding the crucial Class 12 exams of the CBSE board. Until the PM's meeting, the general opinion was veering towards holding a short format exam in July-August. But at the meeting, the Prime Minister decided that the government could take no chances. Modi during the meeting said that the current COVID environment remains dynamic and it isn't healthy to force students to give exams in such stressful environment. Moreover, he added that we must put an end to anxiety of students and parents over exams.
ये बहुत ही अच्छा निर्णय है। ये देश की नई पीढ़ी के लिए और सुरक्षा देने के लिए एक बड़ा कदम है।
Given the health risk involved in writing exams at centers, most students have hailed the government's decision.
We are all relieved right now that the boards are cancelled. They all really appreciate the decision taken by the Prime Minister. And I think there's a state of clarity in everybody's minds that now we have to just prepare for our competitive exams and not go ahead with class 12 studies.
एग्ज़ाम कैंसिल हो गई, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है क्योंकि हमारी हेल्थ सबसे फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी पे आती है। हमारा काफ़ी प्रेशर बढ़ चुका था और अब हमें एक अच्छी न्यूज़ मिली है।
एक सेफ्टी के मेजर से देखा जाए तो ये हमारे लिए ठीक भी है। अभी जैसे जो हमारा प्रैक्टिकल हुआ है और उसके अर्लियर जितने भी टेस्ट वगैरह हुए थे सारे, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली अगर पास कर दिया जाए तो वो बेटर होगा।
The big question now is what next for students. The CBSE has said assessment will be made as per well-defined objective criteria in a time-bound manner. The government has also decided students not satisfied with the assessment will be given the option to appear in exams when the situation is conducive. It was decided that a time-bound assessment will be done to aid college admissions. Opposition parties, particularly the AAP government in Delhi, had been rooting for cancellation of the exams.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है इस बात की कि बच्चों के हित में फैसला लिया गया है, बच्चों को स्वास्थ्य को ध्यान में रखते हुए फैसला लिया गया है, क्योंकि जिस तरह से देश में कोरोना बढ़ रहा है उसमें उनकी जान को खतरा था। कोई भी पेरेंट नहीं चाहता था कि उसके बच्चे को उसकी जान पे खेल के परीक्षा दिलवाई जाए।
After CBSE and CISE's decision to scrap Class 12 board examinations for this year, other state boards are likely to follow suit. But for now, the decision taken by the central government has brought about a sigh of relief for students across the country. With camera person Kirpal in the national capital, I'm Tanushree.